is the emergency broadcasting service. This country has been attacked by cats fitted with full body armor and improvised explosive devices. Communications have been severely disrupted, and the number of casualties and the extent of the damage are not yet known. We shall bring you further information as soon as possible. We shall be on the air every hour on the hour. Stay tuned to this wavelength. There is nothing to be gained by trying to get away. By leaving your homes, you could be exposing yourself to greater danger. That is the end of this broadcast.